Yeah, I didn't pick them out, actually. I don't want to say that. I want to tell you I picked them out, but that's not the truth. And I'm all about the truth. I'm about bringing you the truth. Realness, rawness. I'm glad you were wrong.
And I was wrong.
What's the song you sing, Sonia, when I burp?